Arnis is also known as Kali. It's a traditional Filipino martial arts that began before Spanish colonization. It originally focused on bladed weapon fighting and was practiced by both nobles and commoners. During the Spanish rule, the practice of Kali was banned, so Filipinos continued it secretly, adapting it into stick fighting and disguising it into cultural performance like the Moro Moro plays. In the late 80s, the art was renamed Arnis, derived from the word arnas, meaning armor. Many Filipino heroes such as Andres Bonifacio, Jose Rizal, and Gregorio del Pilar practiced it. Arnis was also used by Filipino guerrillas during World War II to fight the Japanese. In modern times, organizations like National Arnis Association of the Philippines, Arnis Philippines, and Philippine Indigenous Games and Sport Savers Association were formed to promote and preserve Arnis as the national martial arts of the Philippines. Despite its global recognition, it still seeks stronger appreciation within its own homeland. Arnis is important in Filipino culture because it represents the bravery, skill, and unity of the Filipino people. It is a symbol of our ancestors' resistance and resilience, showing how they defended their land and freedom using their intelligence and courage. Practicing Arnis helps preserve a valuable part of Philippine history and tradition, strengthening national pride and identity. In physical education, Arnis promotes physical fitness, discipline, coordination, and self-defense skills. It develops strength, speed, and focus while also teaching respect, sportsmanship, and self-control. Through Arnis, students not only improve their physical abilities but also learn to value teamwork, cultural heritage, and the spirit of being a true Filipino.
Babanam kevalam, Babanam kevalam, Babanam kevalam, Babanam kevalam, Babanam, Babanam kevalam, Babanam, Babanam kevalam, Babanam, Babanam kevalam, Babanam, Babanam kevalam. Babanam, Babanam kevalam, 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 Babanam.